So, in our chapter reading for this week, I found the globalization of love section interesting because of how it discussed marriage in the context of developing countries. I was a bit surprised to hear how much the companionate form of marriage and individualistic marriage is taking off in developing countries. I think I was surprised because of how much we still hear about arranged marriages taking place in countries like India, but in reality, the occurrences of these types of marriage is actually going down. Like they used to be the norm in places like Russia and China, but a shift occurred when the 20th century came along, and the book provides several reasons for this shift for a companionate type of marriage. And a couple I found were interesting. One was uh, the fact of urbanization and the shift to wage labor. Moving to cities, individuals are more free and like have the anonymity and privacy to explore their options with less family interaction, which is a big issue. So, and also when men and women are both earning wages, their relationship is more equal, and like a partnership rather than, say, the male having a huge advantage in his power over the woman because he earns more. But if they're both earning the same amount, then they will be more equal and more likely to trust and have that partnership. And then the second reason I enjoyed reading about was developing countries' exposure to media, how movies and soap operas have taught women about empowerment and freedom and like kind of following your heart. And so this ended up having so much of an impact that when TV was introduced to an area, birth rates declined and divorce rates rose. So women probably, from watching these TV shows, they probably reevaluated their life on the basis of the Western ideals that they were seeing and maybe decided that they wanted a change and something more out of their relationship, like a sense of love and compassion and trust for the other person rather than out of duty or obligation. So, yeah, I enjoyed reading that section as it gave a different vantage point to the more developing countries. So, yeah, that's all I got. Thanks, guys.